Hello and welcome to the August 𝗦𝗢𝗠𝗧 monthly multifamily update. I'd like to give a quick shout out to Tom Cowan at Windermere Real Estate for helping provide the data I'll discuss today. This month, I'd like to dig into the battle between the apartment buyers and apartment sellers. Who's going to blink first? As you can see in this graph, the bars represent the number of available properties and closings in the Puget Sound, while the red line indicates the number of new pendings and the blue line indicates the number of new properties that have come to market. The ramp up in new listings at the beginning of 2022 is easily explained by seasonality. There's always a big uptick of listings as we head out of the winter into the spring. However, the rapid drop in new pendings and new listings is largely attributed to the interest rate hikes we experienced earlier this year. Since April, there's been an obvious dislocation in the number of apartments coming to market, which has been increasing, and the number of been pending, which has been decreasing. This is largely due to sellers' expectations wanting yesterday's price today, as buyers look for some margin of return, as interest rates have effectively gone up 50 to 60% since the beginning of the year. Moving to our next graph, you can see the number of listings put pending in June was less than half the trailing monthly average for the last 14 months. This is largely due to sellers resetting their expectations on pricing. The great news is we still have a boatload of buyers offering on properties. The punchline is, technically we're still in a seller's market with very low inventory of buildings for sale. Our recommendation to sellers is be realistic with pricing. The best properties in the best locations are still moving very quickly, but again, they need to be priced right.